Okay, so I got the intake off and I got the hose off, letting the coolant drain out so it's not full of coolant. Then I will be taking, probably going to try to take the valve covers and these wiring harness out so I can vacuum down in here and try and get as much trash out of there as possible. Then I'll probably try to take the intake manifold off and then the heads. And obviously some stuff up here is going to have to go. That's going to have to go because the power steering pump's attached to the head. I think the tensioner pulley and stuff is as well, so I'll have to see what may or may not actually have to go. I will have to take the belt off as well, so I'll let you know as it goes.